Well, tonight, Marquette University shutting down its men's and women's basketball programs for 2 weeks after multiple positive COVID-19 cases there. Players and staff are quarantining. Ben Jordan is on campus with that news story.
The university says both the men's and women's basketball teams had a positive case each in their latest round of testing on Monday. That means all team activities will be shut down for the next 2 weeks as all players and staff quarantine. As the pandemic continues to worsen in Wisconsin, Marquette University says 25 of its students and staff have tested positive for the virus since Monday. 2 of those cases coming from the men's and women's basketball teams. A nerve-wracking development for Marquette student and Golden Eagle fan Thomas HUBELI.
I feel like this should be taken very seriously. I think the precautions probably need to be upped if we want to watch Marquette basketball this season.
Meanwhile, at State Fair Park, the alternate care facility admitted its first coronavirus patient Wednesday. The field hospital opened 1 week ago to serve COVID-19 patients who aren't severely ill to reduce the strain on hospitals.
We know that the stress on our healthcare system is only probably going to get worse.
Wisconsin Hospital Association President Eric BORGERDING says the state has had a tough time finding patients who are willing to receive care here rather than at the hospital.
The patient has to be agreeable to that, and the family, and it's not easy for someone to leave their community, say from Wausau or Green Bay or Stevens Point or wherever, to go down to West Allis.
Wisconsin has nearly 1,200 coronavirus patients in the hospital, and around 300 are receiving intensive care. But the biggest concern for BORGERDING is the record number of deaths Wednesday.
As we see infections continue to rise, that triggers downstream, and in this case, a matter of a week or two, impacts, including hospitalizations, deaths.
BORGERDING says it's now more important than ever for people to wear masks, wash their hands, and social distance to get back on a downward trend. Reporting at Marquette University, Ben Jordan, TMJ4 News.